Hello boys and girls, I hope you're all well and staying safe at home. Miss Prentice here. I was wondering if you wanted to join me doing a science experiment.
Look at this, boys and girls. The fish is frozen inside the ice. We will need to try and melt the ice to get the fish out.
Have you seen one of these on the road before? This lorry spreads grit. Grit is a form of salt, rock salt. I wonder if we put salt on our ice, if it would melt. Shall we try? Here I have some salt and some food colouring. I wonder if this will help melt the ice. Let's try. How many spoons of salt do you think we will need to melt the ice? Have a little think and maybe you could tell me in the comments. Let's see. Can you hear it crackling? Oh, look at it. Absorbing water. I can see it travelling. Ooh, it is melting. Keep listening. That's 3 spoons of salt. I wonder if it will start to work. I'll put some red on and ooh, that was a little bit much. Oh, it's all running. The salt must be starting to melt the ice because it's turning down into water. Let's see. Oh, it's still a little hard. I think the salt is still working. But it is starting to go a little crunchy. So it must be breaking up. Will we add another spoonful? Oh, it started to break. Will we be able to save our fish? Wow, look. There is just a tiny bit there and it'll come off. We have saved our toy fish. He can now go swim it with his friends. Let's pop him back in with his friends. Can you think of any other ways we could melt ice? Maybe you could think of other ways and let me know.